What's up, everybody? What do you get when you take tequila and cola?
You get the Batanga. This is your boy Joey,
And your boy Kareem?
and we're making shots today. Let's get started in the shot. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to take our shot glasses and we're going to apply some salt to the rim. I personally like the salt flavor with anything, especially when it comes to tequila. So we're going to do that real quick. And to do that, all we're simply doing, taking a little bit of our lime juice, putting it on the rim of the glass, and then put in some salt. And there you go. Do that again. Almost spilled everything. There you go. That one's going to be extra salty. Let's mix it up. So we're going to add some ice to our shaker. This is just to chill down the tequila a little bit. You're going to take 1 ounce per person. So since there's 2 of us, it's going to be 2 ounces. We're going to take a bar spoon of lime juice just for a splash. We don't need a lot. And we're going to shake this up real quick just to chill down the tequila a little bit. You saw how I almost dropped everything? Let's pour out 1 ounce of each. Top it off with a little bit of our cola. And we got the Batanga. Ready? Let's try the shot.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ooh.
Okay.
Kind of gave me like a root beer flavor.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So make sure you subscribe. We're almost at the number 20. We would really like to get 20 subscribers.
Go on to 20. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. We love the comments.
And on that note, peace out, everybody.
And stay fly. What's everybody? What's everybody?